On October 28, strong winds, hail and torrential rains hit South Australia. Major hail caused extensive damage in Adelaide and Baros. The hail smashed rooftops and cars. 9 schools were closed due to power outages. The sizes of the ice floes varied from 2 to 5 centimeters. October broke all records for the number of hailstorms, the same amount as this month usually falls in a whole year. A breathtaking dust storm swept through parts of the far southwest of Queensland on October 29, the blue sky giving way to a hazy orange hue. In a few minutes it became completely dark, and in some areas street lamps began to shine. In the Australian state of Victoria and its capital Melbourne, strong winds have had negative consequences. Thousands of homes were left without electricity due to faults in power lines damaged by felled trees. Wind gusts in some places reached 122 kilometers per hour. Residents reported that the trees were uprooted and that there was disorder everywhere.